There is a baby bird. The mother appears to have dropped it or something, fell from the nest. But it's not looking good for the bird. Hopefully the mother comes and gets it, but I highly doubt it. There's some worm right there, but it's not going to eat it. I don't think it will touch. If a human touches a baby, I don't think the mother goes after it. It's pretty much done after that. So yeah, hopefully it lives, but I don't know. Maybe a cat will come and get it, which is possible in my neighborhood, as you see in my videos before. Zoom in on it. Just sitting there. I think it's scared. I can hear the mother. The mother is over there. And that tree right there, you can hear it. And there it goes, flying away. So I better watch out before I get pecked at. So will the bird live, or will it not live? We will find out. God bless the bird. Oh my God. That gotta suck though. It's pretty much that. I don't know what else to say. It's not moving either. It's just standing there scared.